In this video, you'll learn how to use Field Communications. Field Communications is a file sharing tool that Elections Ontario uses to communicate event-specific information with each electoral district. It contains specific content for your ED, like the completed voting location inspection checklist, and private information like login credentials and the budget for key staff. Because of this, each electoral district has their own field communications site, and access to specific files is determined by your role. To access Field Communications, click the link on the portal homepage and log in using your credentials. On the Field Communications homepage, click the arrow beside Libraries. A menu of folders will appear. These folders are used to share documents between Elections Ontario HQ and the field. During both pre-event assignments and the event period, you will be directed to visit Field Communications to view, download, or print documents from Elections Ontario HQ, or upload documents for Elections Ontario HQ to review. To download content, select the appropriate folder, then hover over the file you want to download and click the three dots beside the file's name. Select Download from the menu that appears. The file will be downloaded and saved to your Downloads folder. To upload content, click the drop-down arrow beside Libraries and select Shared Documents. Select the folder where you wish to upload content. Click the Upload button in the top menu bar and select Files from the sub-menu. Select the file you want to upload and click Open. The file has now been uploaded and a confirmation message is displayed. Now let's look at how to stay on top of communications by setting alerts to be notified when new content has been uploaded by EOHQ. First, click the drop-down arrow next to Libraries in the left navigation menu, then select Shared Documents in the sub-menu. On the right side of the top menu bar, click the three dots and select Alert Me from the sub-menu. Set your notification preferences to configure how and when you want to receive alerts, and click OK to save your changes. Setting up your alerts is a great way to ensure you stay updated.